Peeksta.com. Now, Peeksta.com is where you can find winning products and crush the competition and guarantee your income and get the #1 research tool that is available. And the reason you're able to do that is because they have features like no other. They have a Facebook audience builder that increases the effectiveness of your Facebook marketing activities. You have the video ad generator creating impact ad videos to with your store products very easily. And they even have a thumbnail ad generator where they create their own luxurious thumbnail image with your store product image without any design skills. And suppliers where shipping from the China or US using AliExpress can be quite long, and that is the reason why Chinese suppliers aren't the best options. Supplier selection allows you to discover suppliers seated dropshipping with express delivery for the US and the UK, and that is one of the things I mentioned to individuals that are doing dropshipping in the US or in the UK. You want to make sure that you select the supplier, the warehouses that are available locally, because the time period that it requires to get the product from China is massive, and you could lose a lot of potential work and a lot of potential customers and a potential sales because of that. So make sure that you select warehouses that are inside your region to ensure that you can get the product quickly and get it delivered fast to your customers. They also have a store explorer. You can search over 100,000 dropshipping stores and sort them by niche and discover the trending store that you should know, which gives you an opportunity to understand exactly what kind of strategy that you need to implement and what are the mistakes that you need to stay away from to ensure that you're always ahead of the game. And even more than that, guys, they have a product spy as well, where you can find bio Shopify products, superpower your product search, and save hours of searching because all the hard work is done by Peeksta.com. You can even find inspiration for the product you should launch next and see what the top stores are selling, and you can just simply copy them. You can find wild TikTok products before they even go wild, guys. And even more than that, you can manually add a winning product on a daily basis and stop wasting money on bad products. And their planning price is quite simple and straightforward. There's two methods that you can go for: the monthly plan and the yearly plan. For the monthly plan, you'll be for $19.99, and you'll daily added products and get full access to all the Peeksta features and save products as well. For the yearly plan, you can get it for $150 by daily adding products, full access to Peeksta features and save products as well. And obviously, you can clearly see the fact that you can simply click on Get Started to register over here. And if you want to register, you can click on the link below given in the description and get your Peeksta account right now. It's quite simple and straightforward, guys. You need to understand the dynamics, and once you understand the dynamics, you can easily scale your business.